Assalamu alaikum, Mohamed Dini.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Tell me about your company, Barry.
Horta, STeditor. It's a tech company started by myself and my partner Mohamed Oli. It's a small company at the moment. We're still in our infant stage, but at the same time we're growing at a level that we were expecting. And what we try to do is pretty much help any small business, any entrepreneur, anybody that wants their presence in the web market, in the website or online. We also try to give them special solutions that's specifically customized for them so that they can operate their business more efficiently. As far as our age, we're 2 years old, so we're still young.
That's good.
We've got so much to learn.
Yes.
But one of the most amazing things about what we do is that we sit down with people of all different industries.
Like the guy next door.
Yes, like the guy next door, like the guy who's been in business for 30 years, like the entrepreneur who is trying to figure out how to put their products on the shelf, like the person who has ideas but doesn't know how to bring it to online. So, but the crazy thing is that we learn more every single day, and you become more attached to what you do. You have more passion then.
Self-aware about everything.
Yes, you become more aware about the community. Exactly. What they need, what the needs are. And to improve.
And you guys have the solution to do it.
Exactly. And I always tell people, because dadku waxay leeyihiin mugtahay qolada website-ka ma tihiin leeyihiin mugtahay. And I try to tell them that we don't just sell websites, we sell solutions. And that means we fix problems for people. And the number one thing that I ask somebody markay xafiiska soo galaan after we introduce ourselves is, what is the biggest pressing problem that you have that we can fix?
Nice.
Because if I can't fix it, I will either refer you to somebody that can fix it, or I'll tell you, I'm sorry, I just don't know how to fix it.
Waad mahadsantahay. Waad ku mahadsantahay interviewgan caatada aad siisay Kasheekee. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Inshallah. Inshallah wax badan oo ku wareysan doonaa interviewga ku saabsan STeditor.
Thank you.
Thank you.